In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a mobile app with Grok AI. By the end, you'll know how to ask Grok for production-ready code and get that code running in a mobile-friendly emulator so you can see your app in action. First, open your browser and head to the Grok website. Make sure you're signed in and have a stable internet connection, since the model will generate multiple files and instructions. Keep your goal in mind before you start: a simple, playable mobile app that you can preview quickly. Also, avoid sharing any personal or sensitive information in your prompts. You don't need it for this workflow. Next, in the Grok chat box, type a clear request: create me a mobile app about a hunting game, and provide the code. To get the best results, add helpful constraints in the same message. For example, tell it which framework you want, like React Native with Expo or Flutter, and describe the core features you expect: a home screen, a start button, basic gameplay, scoring, sound effects, and simple navigation. Ask Grok to include project structure, dependencies, and run instructions. It helps to request well-commented code and to bundle any assets or placeholders it references. When Grok replies, scan the output carefully. Look for the full project tree, package configuration, and any commands it suggests for running the app. If something is missing, ask Grok to regenerate that specific piece rather than starting over. Now take the code and move it into a code emulator so you can make the app. A mobile app code emulator or online IDE, such as one designed for React Native with Expo, lets you paste files, install dependencies, and preview instantly on the web or a device. Create a new project in the emulator, replicate the file structure Grok provided, and paste each file into place. Install the listed packages, then run or preview the project. Watch the console for errors. If a dependency is missing or a path is wrong, fix it directly or tell Grok exactly what you saw and ask for an updated snippet. Keep your follow-ups precise, like I'm using Expo, please replace any native modules with Expo-compatible alternatives. Once the preview launches, test the flow, open the menu, start a hunt, confirm that scoring updates, and try navigating back to the home screen. Tweak visuals, difficulty, or sounds by editing constants in the code, then hot reload to see changes. That's it. Visit Grok, ask for the hunting game app code, and load it into a code emulator to make your app come to life.